YT Nation. Welcome to the Snooki Show. Today's topic, planning for your vacation. Whether it's at the beach, some foreign country, or a cruise. Summer trips usually are like to the beach, but some people like to go to a foreign country like South Carolina or Tennessee. If you're going to a foreign country like one of them places, the best way to travel is on a blimp. Or sometimes you can hitchhike or go on a rocket ship or even a Greyhound bus. Whatever you do, it's usually best to go on a vehicle you own so you can sleep on it. So if you're going to go on a Greyhound bus, you better start saving your money to buy it. When you're going to a foreign country, that means foreign food. And a lot of people don't like foreign food. I don't like it very much. So I recommend you pack your own. I like to take like Reese's Pieces or M&M's or those like peppermint hard candies. The peppermint hard candies are particularly good for dinner. Also, in a foreign country, they usually speak a foreign language. But don't worry about it because they have subtitles. A cruise is another fun thing to do for a summer trip. And it's easy because you don't have to like worry about a hotel room or anything because there's always like room accommodations rooms on the cruise. The best type of cruise are the cruises where they allow smoking. And I won't go on any other kind of cruise. I recommend first class on the finest ships that you can find. But if you can't afford first class, there's always something called stowaway. Also, some of these cruises don't have very good food, so I recommend taking your own. I like to take like Reese's or chocolate bars or those peppermint candies that are hard, because those are good. I like to eat those for dinner. The beach is the most popular summer vacation spot. I personally like the beaches of eastern North Carolina because that's where the pirates used to hang out, and there's a good chance you're gonna find some buried treasure and get rich, and then you'll never have to work again a day in your life. At the beach, you want like a good a good stretch of beach where you can relax. And so what I do is I look for where it says no trespassing. And that's usually a sign that that's a really good beach, and then that's where I go. A lot of people don't like beach food, and I'm one of them. So I always pack like my own food to go with me, and I like to take like, Reese's and chocolate bars and those little peppermint hard candies. And, those are particularly good for dinner when you're at the beach. Though occasionally some beaches have like a good place to eat. Like some beaches have a place called Stuckey's, and that's a really good place to eat because they have some good pecan logs there. If you don't mind the pecan part, I usually spit that out. And there's some beaches also have a pretty good place called Kilwins to eat. I recommend that. It's 4 stars. Well, for beach accommodations, I usually like to stay on a yacht because that's like supreme first class way to experience the beach. But if you can't find a yacht or you can't afford one, then try to maybe get like a 6 or 12 or 40 star hotel. Those are usually really. The yacht also doubles as a thing to do. Like you can ride around and look for treasure and like look for Kilwins. I hope these tips are very helpful for you. And I have one more tip for you. Subscribe!